I don't know if you can see that bulge in the grass. It wasn't there a couple hours ago. You can see it. It's full of liquid and jiggling as I poke it. The thing that's concerning is that it's right next to the natural gas line.
You recording?
Yeah.
There's no water coming out.
Good videotape while you're doing that. That's not right.
I don't think it's going to come out.
I don't think it's fluid. Oh, gross.
Is there water in that? Oh, yeah. Oh, is there water in that?
Oh my goodness, there goes Tyler.
Get so
Oh,
damn